Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our lesson for today for the first intermediate grade for the first semester of this year. Our subject, as you know, is the English language from the book Full Blast 1. Our lesson for today is 4A Home Sweet Home. This is the second part. So today we have grammar, speak, and write. This whole presentation is prepared and it will be presented to you by Sultan Shahrani. So, first of all, thank you very much, all of you, for being with me. I'm really happy to be with you. The second thing, I want to make sure that you understand our book is Full Blast 1. It is not the Super Goal. Our book that we will discuss today is Full Blast 1. The third thing I want to ask you, are you ready to begin our lesson? Everyone, are you ready? Very nice. First of all, today we will learn number one, there is, there are, and what is the difference between there is and there are. When can we use there is? When can we use there are? The second thing, speaking about home. So today we have speaking about home and things related to home. The third thing, write about a house. Write about a house. Okay? We'll start with the grammar. As we said, we will talk about there is and there are. Let's see the difference. We have a table here and also we have a table here. We have one book here and we have 5 books. 5 books here. So, we have to say there is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. Or we can say there's a book on the table. There is or there's, it's the same. But this one we have to say there are 5 books on the table. There are 5 books on the table. So the difference between this sentence and this one is here, but we used are here, and of course, as we know, it's one book, so we have to say a book. But this one we said 5 books, so we have to say 5 books. So if it's singular, only one, we have to say there is with singular with one. Okay, if we have something, only one thing of this that we are talking about, for example, about a book or something, we have to say there is. But if we have more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 50, maybe 100, maybe 1000, so we have to say there are. So there are for plural, more than one, not one, more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. There is with singular, one, only one. Okay, excellent. How can we make the affirmative sentence, the negative, the questions, and the short answers with there is or there are? Let's see. With the affirmative, as we said, for example, there is, which is there is a bathroom downstairs, one bathroom. So we have to say there is. Or we can say there are 2 bathrooms downstairs. There are 2, not 1. With the negative, there isn't a bathroom downstairs. There isn't, is not, isn't. Okay, this is the way how can you make the negative sentence with there is. This one, there aren't, isn't, aren't. Okay, there aren't 2 bathrooms downstairs. With the questions, we have to say, is there a bathroom downstairs? So this one, it's just like the affirmative sentence, but here we said there is, but here is there. There is there. With the question, we have to put is at the beginning. After that, the second there. Is there a bathroom downstairs? Are there 2 bathrooms downstairs? There are there. With the sentence, with the affirmative sentence, there are with the questions, Are there? Are there two bathrooms downstairs? And question mark. Can you see the question mark? Are there two bathrooms downstairs? With short answers, is there a bathroom downstairs? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. No, there isn't. Are there two bathrooms downstairs? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Okay. No, there aren't. No, there aren't. Okay. So this is the way to make affirmative sentence, negative sentence, yes, no question, or short answer of the yes, no question. Now we have an evaluation. Let's see what we have. Complete with the correct form of there is or there are. Let's see. Number one, look, space or blank, three cats in the garden. Three cats, not one, three cats. So we have to say, and this is sentence, there are three cats in the garden. That's right. Number two, a museum in this city. The first thing, it's only one museum, a museum, one museum. We didn't say museums, no, museum, only one. And we have question mark, question, question, one and question. So what should we say? Is there? Excellent. Not there is there a museum in this city? Yes, of course. A lot of museums. Museums, more than one. Plural. And this one is sentence. There are. Excellent. There are a lot of museums. Number three. Two bedrooms in your flat? Question. Two bedrooms, plural, and question. Plural and question. Are there two bedrooms? No. No what? No. There aren't. Excellent. No, there aren't. Number four. A green jacket in the wardrobe. A green jacket. This is a sentence. It's just like a sentence. There is, excellent, there is a green jacket in the wardrobe. Okay, there is, because it's one jacket, only one jacket. But a blue jacket. When we say but, we mean something different, the opposite. The opposite. So we have to make it negative. I want it negative, okay? Negative sentence. Blue jacket, one jacket. There isn't, excellent, but there isn't a blue jacket. Where is your blue jacket? I don't know. Okay, very nice. Go to pages from 164 to 167 for extra grammar practice. If you want to practice more, if you want more exercise to learn more, go to these pages 164 until 167. Speak. We have a game. Spot the differences. Talk in pairs. Look at the two houses and find the differences. What are the differences between these two houses? What do you think? Can you tell me? Excellent. The garage. There is a garage here, but here we have a garden. Can you see it? Okay, what else? What are the differences? Excellent. The bedroom here, but here we have a bathroom. The bathroom is here and the bedroom is here. What else? Excellent. We have a bathroom here, but here we don't have a bathroom. The bathroom is upstairs. But here the bathroom is downstairs. Okay? What is the last thing? The kitchen. What about the kitchen? What is the difference between this kitchen and this kitchen? Very nice. This kitchen is big, big kitchen, but this one is small, small kitchen. Okay, very nice. So now we have to make sentences. In house A, for example, there are two bedrooms, but in house B, there is one bedroom. In house A, there is a garage, but in house B, there is a garden. Okay, in house A, there is a small kitchen. In house B, there is a big kitchen. In house A, there is a bedroom upstairs. In house B, there is a bathroom upstairs. Okay, so I want you to make questions like this. Okay, I want you to play a game with your brother, your father, your mother, or whatever, and take two photos and try to get the differences from them and try to use there is if it's only one thing, and there are if you have plural, more than one thing. Okay? Excellent. Now let's go to right. Choose one of the pictures above and describe it. For example, in house A, we said the pictures, those pictures, 1 and 2, A and B, okay? Those two. So he chose one, A, which is A. In house A, there are two bedrooms. There is a, and so on, okay? So I'll give you an example, okay? I'll write about, let's say, house B, okay? I will write about house B. I'll give you an example. For example, I will say, in house B, there is one bedroom. This is house B. Okay, can you see it? How many bedrooms? One bedroom. This is one, but here we have two. One bedroom. There is a bathroom upstairs. There is a bathroom upstairs, but this one is downstairs. This one is upstairs. There is a living room. Of course, there is a living room. Can you see it? There is a big kitchen. There is a big kitchen. Can you see it? But this one is small. But this one in house B, there is a big kitchen. There is a garden. There is a garden. Here's the garden. Can you see it? But this one is garage. In house B, there is a garden. Okay, so I want you to make sentences, a small paragraph about house A or house B. Choose whatever you want, okay? One of them. Excellent. So today we learned the difference between there is and there are. Number 2, speaking about home. Number 3, write about a house. So we used some references in this lesson: student book from Full Blast 1, the teacher's guide, and the audio, the Google Clips. You can use them to learn more if you want to use them. Those are the contacting numbers and the account for Ain website and Tatweer. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much, all of you, for being with me. Don't forget the homework, the writing. Okay, so I want you to do it, to write sentences about house A or house B. Don't forget the homework. I hope I see you next time. This is Sultan Shahrani. Goodbye, everyone.